welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today I have a hat haul for you, headgear haul for you. This is separate from my ear haul. I just filmed my ear haul, so if you want to check that out, check that out. This is part of my haul slash declutter series, so I hope you enjoy. Now let's hear all about it. I have a couple of hats that I've collected. We've been lucky enough to go to all of the parks around the world, so these hats are from different parks. So we're gonna start with Lotso, who I am currently wearing, and Lotso is super cute. I don't think it ever smells like strawberries. It doesn't smell like strawberries right now. And there is a little strawberry in the back. His little face. It's like a little bucket hat. And this, I want to say it was from my last park. So Shanghai Disney is where I think I got it from. Yeah, I want to say it was the last park. So Shanghai Disney is where I got Lotso. I love Lotso, as you can tell from some of my my lounge flies and stuff. And I did do a Lotso look recently for the Pixar Fest. So absolutely love this hat. I think it's super cute and it fits pretty well. The next hat that I have is Michael Sasaki. I got this from Tokyo Disney the very first time we went to Tokyo Disney. And again, obsessed with this one. I didn't see it the last time we went, or the second time we went, I should say. I didn't see it that time because I wanted to get more for my friends and stuff, but they didn't have it anymore. So I'm so lucky and so happy that I bought it when I saw it. I really like this one. And I also have the Sully one, which you'll see. And I've been trying to convince my husband to be Mike and Sully. Maybe eventually I'll fully convince him, but absolutely love it. It's super soft. It is quite warm. So when I wore it to Disneyland during the summer, it was quite warm, but it's still really cute. The next one I have is Nick Wilde from Zootopia. This one I want to say was from definitely Shanghai Disney. I think that's where they have, yeah, Shanghai Disney Resorts. That's where they have the Zootopia Land and the Hot Pursuit ride. And we were again lucky enough to go right as it opened or a little bit after it opened. So they had fresh merch. The size of this is a little bit off for me. I think it's still super cute. I've yet to wear it just because the sizing is a little bit off for my head. So I don't know what to do with this part. Like, do I brim it and then wear it like that, but then you can't really see his eyes? I don't know. The sizing, like the fit of this one is a little bit odd, but I do really like it. And I like how unique it is. So really like it. I've yet to wear it to the parks yet, and I really want to wear it because Nick Wilde appears at Disney California Adventures, so I kind of want to take a picture with him. The next hat is not mine. I don't know how I made it to this bag. I think my husband just heard I was doing a haul and he's like, I have ears. I think he got these before, or I think right as we were dating, but he went with his family to Disney World. He got it printed with his name on the back, and it's just Mickey's butt. I think it's this way. I don't know, but I think he added it to the bag. Let me know, do you have embroidered ears from the parks? I don't actually. I have a lot of hats, but I don't have any embroidered ones. I got this one from Tokyo Disney. Sad story, scary story. I lost my wallet when I was looking at this because I was ready to pay and I didn't have my wallet and I freaked out. So luckily somebody turned it in. Otherwise I think it would have ruined that day and maybe the next day because I had like my yen in there. But people are really nice in Japan and somebody turned it in. But that's what I think about when I think of this hat is how I freaked out for those couple of minutes where I was like, where is my wallet? But it is from Monsters Inc. University. Sorry, I am spacing. If you've been with me, my memory is worse. If you thought it was bad before, it is so much worse now. But I think it's super cute. I think I need to keep it better so that my little horns don't get like that. I really like the color because I am a Sun Devil. I am from Arizona, so the color is perfect for Sun Devils. I honestly should have worn it to one of the games when we went. People would be like, what sorority is that? Just super cute. They had the other sorority as well, but I wanted this one for the colors versus, you know, the other one. The other hat that I got was this one, and this is the one that they replaced the other two with. And again, the Tokyo Disney ones have really good fit. Like the fit of these and the shape of these is so nice compared to the one from Shanghai Disney. And I got this one from Tokyo. Yeah, I think I said that. But this is from Tokyo Disney. I love this hat. The M, it's simple, it matches my nails. No, blue is not my favorite color. If you want to try to guess my favorite color, you can on the comments below. I think I've said it maybe once. It's a weird color, my favorite color. We're almost done, believe it or not. So this is going to be one of the shorter hauls in this series. So the next hat is the Sully hat that I was talking about that kind of matches the mic. And again, super cute. I feel like this is very Clueless, very like 90s, or I don't know. Very, very cute. I like the green one on me more. And I think I like this one a little bit more. But if I ever wanted to like do a twinning thing with my consultant, I think I might have done that with Kitty. I can because I have that. And then I have a couple more, but I'm going to set these down real quick because they're bundling up. In case you were curious, I put all of them in this bag, the Toy Story Hotel from Shanghai bag. But I have 2 scarves. These are from Frozen Land in Hong Kong Disney. Hong Kong Disney, yeah, this is it on the tag. But they'll braid your hair for you. You just have to pay, and then you can pick whatever scarf you want, or at the store you can just buy the scarf. Sorry, I just sneezed. So I decided to just buy the scarves because I didn't want my hair braided. I honestly should have gotten my hair braided because it was a pretty warm day. But this one looks like Anna, I think. This is the one my husband picked out, and then this is the one I picked out, which is kind of pink. And again, super cute. You can put them like that. You can make your own braids. For me, I just made a ponytail that day because I was like super warm and I didn't have a pigtail. Yeah, so do I regret not getting the braid? Probably. In the moment, yes. And I regret getting 2 because I haven't worn them. I probably should during the summertime. I shouldn't put it with my Disney stuff. I should just put it with my hair stuff. Because honestly, they're quite cute, and I could probably do some cute braids and get my hair out of my face. And then I have this headband that I never wear. I never wear this headband. Honestly, I think one of you told me in the comments that it's for like washing your face. And I have another one that's Tigger. And I just don't wear them to wash my face. I don't know why. I just don't. Laziness? I forget. I don't know. I could wear it as headgear. Like I could just wear it to the parks like this and call it a day. But I don't know. So I think this is going to go in part of my declutter along with Tigger. Just because I got them, like I said in my other videos, the first time ever we went to Tokyo Disney, I went crazy. I went crazy and I bought so much. And then later on, I'm like, I probably could have edited and not bought so much. But I didn't know when I would go back. And luckily enough, I went back, but I just didn't know. And then the last couple of things I have are scrunchies. So I have this Duffy Bear scrunchie. So cute. Look at him sleeping. Freaking adorable. And I want to say this was from Shanghai. I want to say it was from Shanghai. We also have this Lucifer one. So cute. This was from Disney Store. So it wasn't from the parks. It was from a Disney store. And I want to say it was Shinjuku or Shibuya. Shibuya, I think. And I just got it because you don't really see a lot of his merch. And finally, this one is from Shanghai. And it is Lotso. And again, I'm obsessed with all the Lotso stuff. So really, really cute. You can already imagine how he looks up there. I do have more scrunchies somewhere, but I think they are actually being used. So yeah, that is all my headgear. Again, this doesn't count for ears. I had way too many ears, so I figured let me separate it. As you can tell, I have way less ears now because I did a lot of decluttering in that video, so please check it out. Don't forget to like if you like this video and subscribe so you can see the whole series of haul and declutter. And you can also see the upcoming trip that we are planning with Secret Trip, which is why we are trying to save money. If you have anything you want to see, I'm going to try to share as much of my collections that I have, but if there's something you want to see, let me know. If you want any tips, I'm thinking of doing videos of tips for different parks, or maybe comparing different parks, or travel tips, budgeting tips, any tips you want. I am happy to do those videos for us. I hope you have a magical day, and until next time, adios.